Hello everyone. So my name is Sankalp and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit different than the normal recipe videos that I post on this channel. PewDiePie. Felix Schellberg. See, I said his name correctly. So his channel is going to be crossed by this channel called Cocomelon. At this point everybody knows that, and it's time for me, a channel with 170 subscribers, to show my support to PewDiePie. And I'm going to do that by baking a cake. Anyway, so why I said that this video is going to be different than the other recipe videos is because this is just me recording myself making something and not like giving instruction to you guys that how to make this, because I have never made a cake earlier in my life. This is my first cake ever. So right now I have no idea how the cake will turn out to be, but let's give it a shot. So we are going to start by taking a bowl to which we will add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then whisk them until combined. Once they are combined, we are going to add 50 grams of sugar and then again whisk it. So now that the creaming of oil, butter and sugar is done, we will add 1/4 cup of condensed milk and half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. So after condensed milk and vanilla extract are mixed nicely, we are going to add a cup of milk, which will be followed by 1 cup of refined flour. Now whisk them all together, thoroughly combine them, making sure no lumps are formed, after which we are going to add the rising agents, which are 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon vinegar to react with the baking soda. Give it a final mix, making sure that the rising agents are evenly mixed with the batter. And now we will take a cake mold, which I definitely forgot to grease with butter, and pour the cake batter in it. Now tap it on the counter for a couple of times to get rid of any air bubbles which would have been trapped inside while pouring. And now this goes into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After 30 minutes of baking plus 30 minutes of additional time for cooling down, this is what we have. Now this is completely cooled down and ready for the further process of icing and decorating. So now we will start by cutting it from the sides, because the shape of that thing is not completely a circle. So just a little bit of trimmings from the side, in which I'm going to fail terribly. And now that we have trimmed our completely round cake to resemble that thing's head, now we will divide the cake into 3 separate layers. So after cutting the cake in 3 separate layers, we will take a rotating table, put a cake board on it, and then take our first layer of the cake. Apply this sugar water on it, which is just powdered sugar dissolved in water. It's done so that the cake stays moist. And after this, we will start icing, and the same process will be repeated for the other 2 layers as well. And now that all the layers are iced, comes the time for the sides. So we will also try to put the cream on the sides as well. In case it's going unnoticed, I clearly didn't do a good job while doing the sides, and hence will clean it a bit later. I used my fingers, but if you do anything like this, please use a napkin, because that will be more hygienic. So till now this is the progress, and now we don't need the rotating table, so just keep it aside, and we will start with the fondant. So the only thing that needs to be taken care of is that the fondant will stick to the surface it's being rolled on and on the rolling pin. So dust both of them nicely with powdered sugar, and now all that left to do is to decorate the cake. That's how the cake turned out to be, and I don't know what to say about it, because for me, whenever I make something, I feel like I could have done it better, but even after trying my best, this cake didn't turn out as I imagined in my head. Anyway, so I tried to post it on Reddit and this showed up because apparently I don't have enough karma or something. I have never used Reddit before and I made an account on Reddit specially to post this on PewDiePie submissions. Anyway, so I'll ask some friend of mine to post this on behalf of me, and that'll be it for today's video. So please leave a like on the video. Links to my social media are in the description and I'll see you guys later.